Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showing off the Chipolo ONE Spot. This works with your Find My iCloud service from Apple. So we have the iPhone here. You just set it up in your Bluetooth menu, and then you set it up with your Find My system under your iCloud account. And that's all you need to do. You can put this on keys, you can put this into book bags, backpacks, whatever you really want that will fit this size of chip. And this is the first one from Chipolo to work with the Apple Find My iCloud service. So you just sign in, it's 3 steps, and you're ready to go. You can get these now from Chipolo. They also offer a biodegradable version made with plastics that they've recycled. So you can help save the planet too at the same time. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.